Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I am going to be doing this fall look using the Morphe Fierce by Nature 3503 palette. If you want to see more, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to start by taking this shade. So it's the third row down and it's the second one in. And we're going to be putting that in our crease. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M321 brush. It's a little, it's called the Bullet Crease brush. So I already primed my eyes. I am using just the Morphe eyelid primer. You don't have to use a primer if you don't want to. Sometimes I'll just use my foundation because I already did my face. So if you don't want to use a primer, you don't have to. I personally like using both foundation and primer. It tends to not crease in my lid, but of course it's personal preference, whatever you want to do. But we're taking that shade and we're just going in our crease. Next, we're going to be taking this, so the one above that shade, we're going to be taking this color. It's the second row, second one in. And then you're going to want to take a blending brush. I'm just going to use the one that came in one of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes because I like the fluffy end of those ones. And we're going to put it right above that color and just blend it out. Okay, so that looks all good and blended. Now we're gonna take a regular eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna be using, let's see if I can read it. It's the MAC, let's see, 289 brush. I'm sorry, it's pretty old. I've had this for a long time. It is clean, it's just stained. So we're gonna take this regular eyeshadow brush and we are going to, let's see, we're gonna pick up, it's the second to the last row and it's the second one from the end. So we're going to be taking this shade and we're going to be putting it on our corner lid and part of the coming to the end of the lid and a little bit up in the crease. Now we're going to take another eyeshadow brush, a clean one, and we're going to go in with this color. And we're going to take that from the corner of your eye and out. take a fluffy brush, and you're going to take, let's do this shade, and we're going to put it onto our brow bone above those colors that we did in the beginning. And as for this part, depending on how exotic or dramatic you want it, you can just leave it like this. We're still not done. We're going to do the lower lash line, but there's this really pretty glittery color, which I'm going to do. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but it's this shade right here. And I'm just going to take it on my finger, and then I'm going to press it in the middle where some of these colors meet to give it like a really cool glimmer effect. Actually, I'm going to take it on a brush, and I'm actually going to take it in the corner of my eye and kind of go out. So this is what that looks like. It's really pretty. And then for the lower lash line, let's take this color, and I'm using kind of this, you know, edged eyeshadow brush, and we're just gonna kind of smoke out the bottom lash. And then I want to take another color on top of that, a little bit of a darker one. Let's go with this one up at the top, right here. So I think that's how I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my eyeliner, my lashes, and my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I finished my eyebrows, my mascara, my liner, my lashes, and my lipstick. This is the finished look. Pretty easy. You can do it as dramatic or as natural as you want to go. It just depends on the colors that you want to use. But yeah, overall, this palette is amazing for fall looks. It has so many colors, reds, oranges. There's some, you know, brighter shades in there like green, browns. It's really pretty. I highly suggest getting the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette. And if you didn't already see, I showed off this palette in my previous video. It was the Ulta Beauty Haul video that I did. I'll go ahead and link that one below as well in case you didn't see it. But yeah, I love this palette. It's super easy. If I had to pick probably one palette to use for the rest of my life, so far I think it would be this one. It's awesome, and the price point is pretty decent as well. So if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos that I do. Feel free to comment below. Do you like this look? Are you planning on doing this look? And what other looks would you like me to do? I had fun. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.